In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in TikTok Shop. If you're selling on TikTok, adding a product video can dramatically improve engagement and help customers understand exactly what they're getting. I'll walk you through the process from opening your TikTok Shop account to attaching a video to your product listing, with clear tips along the way so you feel confident at each step. First, open your TikTok Shop account and log in. Make sure you're in the seller area where you manage your listings. Once you're in, look for the Products section. This is where all your items live and where you'll create new ones. Click Products to open your product management page. Next, click Add Product to start a new listing. This opens the form where you'll build out all the details. Begin by adding images of your product. Use clear, well-lit photos against a clean background. Show the front, back, sides, and any important features. Consistent lighting and sharp focus help customers trust what they see, and that often leads to better conversion. Enter the name of your product. Keep it concise but informative. Include the brand, the key feature or material, and the product type. For example, instead of a vague title, use something that highlights what makes your item stand out. Select the most accurate category for your product. This helps TikTok understand where your item belongs and improves discoverability in search and recommendations. If you're unsure, choose the category that matches the primary use of your product. Add your description. This is your chance to answer common questions before they're asked. Mention the main features, sizing or dimensions, materials, colors, and care instructions if relevant. Keep sentences short and scannable, and focus on what the customer needs to know to make a decision. Now, look for the video option in your product setup, usually within the media section alongside images. Click it to add a video to your product. You can upload a new video or select one you've already prepared. Aim for a vertical format that looks great on mobile. Keep it concise and show the product in action. Demonstrate important details, show scale, and use good lighting and clear audio if you're speaking. Avoid cluttered backgrounds and make the first few seconds count so viewers immediately understand what they're seeing. Once your video is attached, double-check that it appears alongside your images and looks crisp in the preview. That's it. You've successfully added a video to your TikTok Shop product.